Right, what's up, traders? Happy Wednesday, CPR day. We had a great day today on the desk. Not only did I take a payout with FTMO, which I'll show you, but we also had a great live stream. I made some money trading the DAX as well as some Tesla. So let's get right into it. Before we do, though, this live stream, this daily review, is sponsored by Edgeful. We're going to go over a couple of things that I did use in their reports to actually pay some trades today, see what I enjoyed, see what I didn't. And today was a nice trading day, obviously after CPR. Right, I hope that I look nice and beautiful. My bald head looks quite nice and shiny for this daily review. Got some new lights up here in the setup, so that should be quite nice. So let's get right into it. Okay, so if we pull up my charts here, as you can see, I did take this FTMO payout live on ASFX TV. So before we actually start the stream, I took this live on this payout live on ASFX TV, and right now you can actually get a 25% discount on your first month. We are using the code Xmas, right? So daily live streams every single day of the week. You can come trade live with me. As you can see, if you can't make it live, you can also come and get the replays. So let's get right into it. As you can see, up 5 grand on the day. But let's get into my trades. First trade that I did take live, again, as mentioned, on ASFX TV. We got the 15-minute time frame, we got the hourly, we got the daily on the bottom right, and my execution time frame, 5 minutes. So I like looking at the broader picture. You can see, as mentioned, change the charts. Looking quite neat, right? Quite nice. So we took out previous day's highs. That's where my target. But we were clearly making bullish market structure here all morning on that 5-minute time frame. I like that for continuations. Gave my stop below daily VWAP, and we got our longs into previous day's highs, right? So that was pretty neat. And I actually ended up taking this on that. So I took this trade live on ASFX TV. I processed my FTMO withdrawal. They gave me a new account right away. Actually managed to get a piece on this on that new account right away. So I'm already up on that new account that they gave me as well. So very, very neat, very, very nice. But the second trade that I did take on my personal was on Tesla. I think a lot of the stocks, a lot of the individual stocks you'll see down the right-hand side. Yeah, I'm mainly focused on SPX and the DAX, but I love trading these top 4 Mag 7 names like NVIDIA, Tesla, Meta, and Apple. But yeah, Tesla above previous day's highs. Now, if we come to an H4 report here and we go to stocks, let's go to Tesla, right? So we can, this is one of my favorite reports, the previous day's range report. And you guys will always hear me speak about it because why? I use it on an everyday basis. Because let's look at year to date. So what this report basically tells me is if we take out previous day's highs, what are the odds of us closing as a bullish closing day? And if we take out the lows, what are the odds of us closing as a bearish closing day? Now, by standard, you can look at this by standard overall, and you can also look at it by weekday. Reason being is some days of the week will be more high probability than others, right? If we take out the previous day's high, year to date, 78% of the time it closes as a bullish closing day, and vice versa for shorts, 82% of the time if you take out the previous day's lows. Okay, but now by weekday, if we come here to a Wednesday, that drops to 71% of the time. So there are some days that are more bullish than others. Like you can see 79% on a Monday, Tuesday 85, Wednesday 71, Thursday 75, and Friday 78. So I love using this report. Wednesday was 71% of the time, but I love the continuation above those previous days' highs. And for those that know me, know that these are some of my best trades. I'm in the process now. I like looking at the high time frames. I like looking at the day. I want to be bigger on my best trading setups. I don't really necessarily like the swing trading. I'd rather just put that into my long-term portfolio. So I'm not looking at to hold for days on these, but I do want to kind of like intraday swing. I'd rather be bigger, wider stop losses. So instead of me trading with small tight stop losses now, which I think is quite difficult because you have to be right more often, and right more quick, right? Your interest to be more precise. I'm giving them a little bit wider stop losses. I'm looking to intraday swing these positions. So very, very nice position here above the 21 EMA, which above previous day's high, and off the 21 EMA, which you guys know that I love using. And then using that edge full stat, the previous day's range report, right? So that was my day today. As you can see, I really, really do like using those previous day's highs and lows levels because it's great. It gives me great thesis to where I want to look for either continuations or reversals, right? I love using that. Then this is ADR high and ADR low, right? But as you can see, I love using those for either continuation plays or reversals. We're now obviously sweeping very, very nicely, up almost 5%, NVIDIA up almost 3%. So I missed out on some other nice clean moves. Like Nvidia was very, very nice. I was thinking of maybe taking this to end the day, but you can't catch everything. That's the basis of trading. You're not going to be able to catch everything. That's a fact. So it is what it is, right? And that's why sometimes having those wider stop losses allow you to play after this news. I missed some nice trades on the SPX today. This is the 5-minute chart, but if you come out here, look at the 50-minute chart. We rip off this news on CPI and into the open, right? Off that CPI news event, and we just hold, from that CPI news event after that on SPX, we are up 27, 30 points. So sometimes just maybe the tip for today is keep the larger time frames in check. I think it's very difficult when you're taking entries like on NQ with like 10 or 20 point stop losses, it's very difficult to be right almost immediately. The NQ can slip 20 points very, very quickly. Same as NQ can slip 5 points very, very quickly. So sometimes something for me is that those intraday swing positions have been working a little bit better. Sometimes just get in with a position and get in with a slightly wider stop. That's why I do like CFDs. It gives you more flexibility with the position sizing like that. Because if I have a 10-point stop loss on SPX or 30-point stop loss, if I want to risk 1%, I can risk 1%. That's how the position sizing works. So a very nice trading day here today. I need to finish my actual my notes, but you can see 5K on the day. Very, very nice. Yeah, come join us again. Come join us on ASFX TV. 25% off on your first month. Come join us there. And again, this stream is sponsored by Edgeful, and I took this nice payout with FTMO. So I have been enjoying trading the stocks intraday on my personal and on some FTMO accounts. Took a payout here today. So we'll continue to move along quite nice. And then go check out that previous day's range report. Currently, they are offering a 7-day free trial, so you can check that out too. The link is in my bio. Come trade with me. Link in my bio. H4 link in bio. Everything that you need that's about me, the link is in my bio. Right? So hopefully these lights get you attracted to come watch me on ASFX TV. And yeah, we'll see you guys there then. Have a great day. Appreciate you guys. And we'll see you on for tomorrow's daily review. Cheers, everyone.